How to make NGL link on Facebook. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make NGL link on Facebook. First, open your NGL application on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look for the option to copy your NGL link. Tap on the Copy Link button to save your NGL link to your device's clipboard. Now, switch to the Facebook application on your mobile device. Look for the What's on Your Mind text box on your Facebook homepage. Next, paste your NGL link into the text box. Once you're ready to share, tap on the Post button to publish your NGL link on Facebook. As you can see, your NGL link should now be posted on your Facebook timeline for others to see. Also check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.